What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best motherboards that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero stands out as the best AMD motherboard, offering a compelling package at its price point. It strikes a perfect balance between cost and functionality, making it a suitable choice for a wide range of users. Compatible with both Ryzen 3000 and Ryzen 5000 series processors and supporting DDR4 RAM, the motherboard provides a robust foundation for high-end builds. While lacking DDR5 support, the X570 Crosshair 8 Hero justifies its position with essential features for enthusiasts, including ample fan headers for cooling, Asus optimized software for enhanced performance, and RGB headers for customization. The motherboard boasts extensive USB connectivity, including USB Type-C ports. However, users seeking Thunderbolt support may need to explore other options. The Dark Hero variant introduces tweaks such as stronger power stages, dynamic overclocking capabilities, and the elimination of the chipset fan for quieter operation. Visually, the X570 Hero combines modern aesthetics with customizable RGB lighting, while the Dark Hero variant offers a more subdued design. Despite its higher price tag compared to basic motherboard options, the X570 Crosshair 8 Hero justifies the cost with premium features like enhanced networking options, 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6, abundant USB and USB-C ports, satisfactory M.2 support, and excellent power ratings with efficient VRM cooling. With an AMD AM4 socket, comprehensive thermal design, high-performance networking, 5-way optimization, and DIY-friendly features, the Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero stands as a top-tier choice for users seeking a powerful and reliable AMD motherboard for their builds. The MSI Mag B760M Mortar Wi-Fi stands out as an exceptional choice for users on a quest for a quality, budget-friendly motherboard. Operating within the Micro ATX format, this board goes beyond its size limitations to deliver most of the next-gen features that users desire, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. While it may lack CPU overclocking capabilities and USB 3.0 slots, the board compensates with its affordability and a robust set of core features, making it an excellent option for budget builds. Part of MSI's Mag series, known for its gaming products with military-inspired aesthetics, the B760M model features a 6-layer black PCB with thickened copper traces, showcasing toughness and durability. The glossy matte finish and sharp diagonal cuts on the aluminum heatsink add to its design accents. Targeted primarily at business and basic home usage, the B760M sacrifices some options and connectivity compared to enthusiast platforms. Despite limited CPU overclocking and have PCIe and SATA lanes, the B760M supports up to 4 SATA ports and accommodates 3 PCIe 4.0x4 drives. The 12+1+1 power regulation design with 75A chokes for CPU power demonstrates stability. While it may raise concerns on paper, the chipset's limitations are mitigated in practical usage. The integrated Wi-Fi adds value, making the MSI Mag B760M Mortar Wi-Fi an appealing choice for those seeking a balance between affordability and performance in budget builds. The Gigabyte B550 Gaming X V2 emerges as the top budget AMD motherboard, offering a well-rounded and affordable option within the B550 chipset category. Despite the absence of certain aesthetic elements like RGB LEDs, this motherboard excels in providing enhanced gaming features at a reasonable cost. Adopting a minimalist and solid design, characterized by a black color scheme with touches of gray graphics and a dark brushed metal integrated graphics heatsink, it adheres to Gigabyte's Gaming X design philosophy, prioritizing functionality over superfluous visual elements to maintain affordability. In the ATX form factor measuring 13.18 by 10.62 by 3.14 inches, the B550 Gaming X V2 is compatible with various PC cases. Positioned as a mid to high-end model within the B550 chipset category, it surpasses its predecessor, the B540, in connector speed and overclocking potential, making it a compelling long-term investment. The AM4 socket supports a wide range of Ryzen processors, including those with Zen microarchitecture, extending support to the 5000 series. With a memory limit of DDR4 4733 MHz due to the B550 chipset, it offers commendable speed and includes 4 DDR4 DIMM sockets with a total capacity of 128 GB. Supporting standard XMP and dual-channel configurations, this motherboard is a robust and cost-effective choice for users seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. The Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi stands out as a leading contender for the best Intel motherboard, built on the Intel B760 chipset and designed for compatibility with the cutting-edge 13th generation Intel Core processors. Catering to both gaming enthusiasts and those in need of high-performance PCs for demanding tasks, the motherboard distinguishes itself with its support for high-speed DDR5 memory, reaching up to 7,800 MHz, enhancing performance in memory-intensive applications and games. Crafted with gamers in mind, the ROG Strix B760F is equipped with a 2.5G Intel Ethernet port for a stable internet connection crucial for online gaming. The Intel Wi-Fi 6E module ensures reliable wireless connectivity. The motherboard excels in power supply, featuring a robust 17 virtual-phase power supply system for efficient CPU power and stability, vital for overclocking. The 16+1 power stage design enhances power delivery efficiency, maintaining stability even under heavy workloads. Connectivity is a priority, with USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, USB 2.0 ports, and various audio and video outputs. The B760 chipset delivers robust gaming and content creation performance, rivaling higher-priced Z790 chipsets. Notably, the motherboard prioritizes audio with a premium Realtek ALC 4080 audio codec, a Sabatech amplifier, and dedicated audio capacitors. With an Intel LGA 1700 socket, optimized VRM thermals, high-performance networking, abundant connectivity options, DIY-friendly design, and industry-leading gaming audio, the Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi offers a comprehensive solution for users seeking top-tier performance in gaming and demanding applications. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX stands as a top-tier motherboard, offering a perfect balance of features and performance tailored to the daily requirements of users in the mid-range market segment. This motherboard is a standout choice in the Z790 chipset series, ensuring compatibility between 12th and 13th generation Intel Core processors. One minor drawback is the absence of a Gen 5-based M.2 port. Despite this, the motherboard impresses with native CPU support for one PCIe X16 slot on the Gen 5 bus and an NVMe X4 port on the Gen 4 bus. It accommodates a PCIe X16 Gen 5 slot, offering ample bandwidth for graphics cards. DDR5 memory support up to 5600 MHz enhances overall performance, and the motherboard provides display options through HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 connections. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX excels in USB connectivity, boasting up to 17 connections, including a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port on the rear I/O. With a dual 16+1+2 phase digital VRM solution and a power rating of 70A, the motherboard competes effectively in power delivery. Storage needs are met with 4 M.2 slots, and the PCIe 5.0 Easy Latch ensures quick and hassle-free installation. The rear I/O panel is well equipped, reflecting the motherboard's high-quality design. With Intel LGA 1700 socket support, DDR5 compatibility, commanding power design, cutting-edge thermal features, next-gen connectivity, fast networking options, dynamic audio components, and fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion 2.0, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX delivers top-notch performance at an excellent price-to-quality ratio.